testify.
Yes.
Yes. Cannot be seen. But these are turned into an opening statement. They will be allowed for 3 minutes opening statement.
Let it finish.
But
Let it finish. And then
Let me see that. Yes, please.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I swear by the name of the Almighty God, the evidence I shall give before this court, touching the matter in question, shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
you state to the court your plea.
Your Honor, I am Abdurrahman Jibril. Jibril for you, Jibril. I'm a Senior Assistant Director, Investigations with the Independent Police and Oversight Authority.
Yes, you own this affidavit and before court.
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, kindly proceed with the affidavit. There will be questions given from the defense.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, I am one of the investigating officers in the ongoing investigations that IPOA is currently conducting in regards to the brutal murder of Albert Omondi Ojwang. This is pursuant to Section 6, 7, and 25 of the IPOA Act. Your Honor, on 8th day of June 2025, IPOA learned the death of Albert Ojwang while in police custody at Central Police Station within Nairobi County. Your Honor, the authority immediately initiated investigations to unravel the circumstances surrounding the gruesome death of the deceased. Your Honor, so far, our preliminary investigations have revealed that the deceased was arrested following a complaint by the Deputy Inspector General of Police.
Your Honor, all that the witness is saying has been said. You can only adopt the proceedings. Because unless there's any other crucial information.
That's another, Your Honor. That's okay.
just keep a highlight.
Yes.
Okay.
You okay with whatever you've said so far?
Yes.
And whatever you've averred in the affidavit, yeah? So we can proceed with the cross-examination there?
Yes.
Is that okay? The other team from the state?
That's actually not that.
Okay, okay.
They can proceed to examine on the affidavit.
Thank you. Your Honor, I'll be asking the witness to agree.
So, Mr. Dunson, maybe just for housekeeping and good order, how many of you will cross-examine him?
3.
3. You, yourself, and who else?
Me, what? Bangal.
So only 3 of you from
Yes,
the battery
we'll
of
examine it.
the 3 of
Others
you.
will submit.
I think that is okay.
Mr. Jibril,
Yes, Your Honor.
can you confirm your position at IPOA over this matter?
You're asking my rank? My,
Oh, yes. No, that's a must.
Your Honor, as indicated, I'm a senior assistant director in investigations.
And confirm that you are an investigator.
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you an investigator in the purpose and the name or position of the National Police Act?
IPOA Act.
Under IPOA Act. And under IPOA Act, is it true that you have still arrested powers?
Yes.
Under which section?
Your Honor, Section 7 of the IPOA Act and Section 7 of the IPOA Regulation Act actually gives me the powers, privileges, and immunities of a police officer.
So Section 7. Which section?
Both Section 7 in the IPOA Act and Section 7 of the IPOA Regulations Act.
Gives you the powers as that of a police officer.
Yes, sir.
And in this matter, you are now actively participating pursuant to those provisions as an investigator.
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. Are you well conversant with the law?
Depends on which area you want to ask.
Are you, you know, some of us went to teach, then we became lawyers. Some people are mad about that. Do you have any legal training?
Yes, yes, I do.
Could you refer the court to your legal training?
I'm an advocate of the High Court of Kenya.
Thank you. You are an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Look at the Criminal Procedure Code, Section 386, as an advocate of the High Court of Kenya. Could you be